bitches can fit in the G-Wagon truck, it's a lot of these slaves. Double back on the house boys spanking their ass. You know they ain't getting up. They don't like Jace while I'm making their ass. You know I don't give a fuck. I feel like you with a shiesty on, Drake on a Tonka Truck. I get busy bone, girl, I'm back to the bone. You know I just wanna fuck. I don't condone it, I see cones. I just do a little cotton and moan. Put a little on the floor, she blow. I put a little bit on the cotton and go. Double back on the house boys spanking their ass. You know they ain't getting up. They don't like Jace while I'm making their ass. You know I don't give a fuck. Spit on that block and we sprayed their ass. You know we ain't letting up. This bitch keep handing me alcohol. I think she trying to get me drunk. I think she trying to give me a gut. I tell the bitch to let me in a good. Double back and we hop out spank. Boom, bow, bitch. Don't give a fuck. We ain't letting up. We ain't real much. We're back on the house. You know we ain't letting up. Hey, we ain't letting up. You know how I'm coming. You know we ain't letting up. Like this, I'm still going. Shit that goes down, shit, bitch. How many buttons can fit at the end of the gun? Boy, just one. Hey, how many bitches can fit in the G-Wagon truck? It's a lot of these sluts. Double back on the house boys spanking their ass. You know they ain't getting up. They don't like Jace while I'm making their ass. You know I don't give a fuck. I feel like you with a shiesty on, Drake on a Tonka Truck. I get busy bone, girl, I'm back to the bone. You know I just wanna fuck. I don't condone it, I see cones. I just do a little cotton and moan. Put a little on the floor, she blow. I put a little bit on the cotton. Go, double back on the house, we spanking their ass. You know we don't give a fuck. You know we ain't letting up. Real mother, you know what I'm saying? We're back on the house, you know we ain't letting up. Hey, you know how I'm coming. I'm still coming like this, I'm still going. You know I know shit that goes down, shit, bitch. Go. How many buttons can fit at the end of the gun? Boy, just one. How many bitches can fit in the G-Wagon truck? It's a lot of these sluts. Double back on the house, boys spanking their ass. You know they ain't getting up. They don't like Jace while I'm making their ass. You know I don't give a fuck. I feel like you with a shiesty on, Drake on a Tonka Truck. I get busy bone, girl, I'm back to the bone. You know I just wanna fuck. I don't condone it, I see cones. I just do a little cotton and moan. Put a little on the floor, she blow. I put a little bit on the cotton and go. Double back on the house, boys spanking their ass. You know they ain't getting up. They don't like Jace while I'm making their ass. You know I don't give a fuck. Spit on that block and we sprayed their ass. You know we ain't letting up. This bitch keep handing me alcohol. I think she trying to get me drunk. I think she trying to give me a gut. I tell the bitch to let me in a good. Double back and we hop out spank. Boom, bow, bitch. Double back till I give me some rain. Hey, who now, bitch? Hey, and that bitch trying to get in my face, but she fuck with the house, so I tell her cool out, bitch. How many buttons can fit at the end of the gun? Boy, just one. Hey, how many bitches can fit in the G-Wagon truck? It's a lot of these sluts. Double back on the house, boys spanking their ass. You know they ain't getting up. They don't like Jace while I'm making their ass. You know I don't give a fuck. I feel like you with a shiesty on, Drake on a Tonka Truck. I get busy bone, girl, I'm back to the bone. You know I just wanna fuck. I don't condone it, I see cones. I just do a little cotton and moan. Put a little on the floor, she blow. I put a little bit on the cotton and go. How many bitches can fit in the G-Wagon truck? It's a lot of these sluts. Double back on the house, boy, spank